Sai Ram children, this is chapter number 9, Algebraic Expression and Identities, part 6. So today we are going to start with new exercise 9.5. This is our last exercise of this chapter. So let's start with the question. Question number 1 is, use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. Now you have to do products but using identities. So first part is x plus 3, x plus 3. So which identity we can use? We can use a plus b ka whole square. How? See, x plus 3 is written 2 times, so we can write x plus 3 ka whole square. Okay, so a plus b ka whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is x here and b is 3 here. See, a is x here and b is 3 here. So use this identity now. A square means x square, b square means 3 square plus 2 into x into 3. Okay, now x square plus 9 plus 2 into 3 is 6x. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's see next part. So second part we are skipping, so it is based on the first part only. So let's do third part. 2a minus 7 ka whole square we can write. Now formula is a minus b ka whole square. It gives you a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now what is a here? A is 2a and b is 7 here. Okay, so a square means 2a square, b square means 7 square minus 2 into 2a into 7. Okay, so 2a square means 4a square, 7 square means 49 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 7 is 28a. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next part, fourth part. See, 3a minus 1 by 2, 3a minus 1 by 2. We can write 3a 1 by 2 ka whole square. So again, which formula is coming out? A minus b ka whole square. It gives you a square plus b square plus, minus 2ab, because minus sign is here. A is 3a here and b is 1 by 2. Okay, now put these value inside the formula. A square means 3a square, b square means 1 by 2 ka whole square minus 2 into 3a into 1 by 2. This two cancel out each other. Okay, now 3a square means 9a square, because 3 square is 9, a square is a square. 1 by 2 ka whole square means 1 square means 1, 2 square is 4 minus 3a. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next part, sixth part. Again fifth part we are skipping. That is your homework. Okay, now a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. So here it can become a, so instead of this we can write b square plus a square. I'm swapping the value, a square plus b square. So instead of a square plus b square, I'm writing b square plus a square. Now again this second expression also I'm swapping. B square I'm writing first minus a square. Now which identity is this? This is a plus b, a minus b. that is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, now a is b square here and b is a square here. Now put these two value inside this formula. Okay, so a square minus b square means a square value is b square here, b square का whole square minus b square value is a square का whole square. Now open the powers. B square का whole square means b power 4 minus a power 4. So this will be your answer. Again I am repeating this part. See, a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. So here a square plus b square formula is not there. A minus b whole square formula is not there. We can make a square minus b square formula. So just swap the values. You will get b square plus a square, b square minus a square. So this formula is coming out a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So here a is b square and b is a square. Put these value inside the rightmost side, that is a square minus b square. You will get b ki power 4 and a ki power 4. Let's move to the next part. Now let's see 7th part. See, this is a minus b and a plus b. Okay, so it equal to a square minus b square. So what is a here? A is 6x and b is 7 here. According to this expression, when we are putting in this formula, a is 6x and b is 7. So rightmost side is a square minus b square. So 6x का whole square minus 7 का whole square, you will get 36x square minus 49. So this will be your answer. Okay, let's see the next part, 8th part. Now minus a plus c. So again we can swap minus a, c minus a. Now c minus a ka whole square formula is coming up. A is c here and b is a here. So c square plus a square minus 2 into c into a. It gives you c square plus a square minus 2ca. So this will be your answer. So in question number 1, few parts I have left, so I am giving you that as a homework. Those parts are this. Question number 1, 2nd, 5th and 9th part are your homework. So kindly complete your homework. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Now in question number 2, use the identity. You have to use the identity, that is 6x plus a, x plus b. Means first variable is going to be same, second is going to be different. So formula will be x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. So you have to put the value inside this identity. Let's move to the part first. X plus 3, x plus 7. So if we put formula here like this, so x is x here, then a is 3 here and b is 7 here. Okay, now you have to put these value inside this formula. Now formula is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So x square is x square only, a is 3, b is 7, x 3 into 7. It gives you x square plus 10x plus 21. So in this way you have to solve. Getting my point? Now let's move to the next part, 3rd part. Again second part we are skipping here. Now if we are putting x plus a, x plus b. Now if you concentrate here, negative signs are there, but in our formula positive sign is there. So let's convert this into the formula 4x plus minus 5. In this way also we can write 4x plus minus 1. So now this question is equal to our formula. Here x is 4x, a is minus 5 and b is minus 1. Now put these value inside the formula. Formula is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. X square is 4x, write 4x square. A is minus 5, b is minus 1, x is 4x minus 5 into minus 1. Okay, now this gives you 16x square minus 6 into 4 is minus 24x plus 5. So in this way you can easily solve these type of question. If formula is not coming out, you can make the formula by converting into the positive and make it negative a and b value. Okay, now let's move to the next part, fourth part. Fourth part is 4x plus 5, 4x minus 5, sorry 4x minus 1. So x plus a is fine, x plus b. So how we can convert this? We can write here 4x plus minus 1. In this way we can write. So x is 4x here, a is 5 here, b is minus 1. Now put this value inside the formula. Formula is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. X is 4x का whole square, a is 5, b is minus 1, 4x 5 into minus 1. It gives you 16x square. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. 16x minus 5. Okay, this will be your answer. Let's move to the next part. Now, seventh part, x, y, z plus, you can write like this, x, y, z plus, okay, now x will be x, y, z, a will be minus 4 and b will be minus 2. So easily you can put the value inside the formula, you will get the answer. So I am leaving this here only, you solve full. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now next question is find the following square by using the identities. So again you have to use the identities and solve the following question. So b minus 7, it means a minus b ka whole square. It gives you a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is b here and b is 7 here. Now put this value inside the formula. A square means b square, b square means 7 square minus 2 into b into 7. So b square plus 49 minus 14b will be your answer. Okay, let's move to the next part, second part. xy plus 3z ka whole square, it means a plus b ka whole square. This identity we are going to use, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now what is a here? A is xy. What is b here? B is 3z. Now put this value inside the identity. A square means xy ka whole square, b square means 3z ka whole square plus 2 into xy plus 3z. X square y square plus 9z square plus 6xyz. So this will be your answer. Okay, I hope you all are able to solve these type of question now. Let's move to the next part, third part. Now 6x square minus 5y square, it means a minus b ka whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. This identity we are going to use. A is 6x square and b is 5y. Okay, so a is 6x square. So 6x square plus b is 5y square minus 2 into 6x square and b is 5y. Okay, now 6x square का whole square means 36x की power 4 plus 25y square minus 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 6 is 60, 60x square y will be your answer. Okay, next move to the next question. Next part is 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 2 n का whole square. It means a plus b का whole square. Okay, so it gives you a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is 2 by 3 m and b will be 3 by 2 n. Okay, now put these value inside the formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab is your formula. A value is 2 by 3 m का whole square, b is 3 by 2 का whole square plus 2 into 2 by 3 m into 3 by 2 n. It gives you 4 9 m square plus 9 n square 4 plus it gives you 4 mn. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now next question is question number 4. Simplify. Okay, so simplify means you have to simplify as possible as we can. Okay, so first question is a square minus b square का whole square. Okay, so here formula is a minus b का whole square. You can write a square plus b square minus 2ab. This identity we are going to use. A is a square here and b is b square here. So put this value inside this formula. So a square means a square का whole square, b square is b square का whole square minus 2 into a square into b square. So a power 4 b power 4 minus 2a square b square will be your answer. Let's move to the next part. Next part, question second part of question number 4. 2x plus 5 का whole square minus 2x minus 5 का whole square. So a square minus b square formula you can use a plus b or a minus b. So a is 2x plus 5 and b is 2x minus 5 here. So you can write a plus b. It means 2x plus 5 plus 2x minus 5. A minus b is 2x plus 5 minus 2x plus 5. So we are representing in a form of a plus b and a minus b. So this 5 and this 5 cancel out each other. This 2x cancel out each other. Gives you 4x into 10. So your answer will be 40x. So in this way you can easily simplify. Let's move to the next part. Third part. So here in the third part you can use a minus b का whole square in the leftmost side plus a plus b का whole square in the rightmost side. After that you need to add. So 7m whole square plus 8n whole square minus 2 into 7m into 8n plus 7m का whole square plus 8n का whole square plus 2 into 7m into 8n. Okay, now let's open 49 m square. 8n square is 64n square minus 112 mn plus 49m square plus 64n square plus 112 mn. This 112 mn cancel out each other. You will get, add 49m square with 49m square. it gives you 98m square plus 64n square plus 64 gives you 128n square. So in this way you can easily simplify. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Now fourth part I am giving you homework, because 4m plus 5n square, it means a plus b ka whole square, open this, then 5m plus 4n square, again same thing, so open a plus b ka whole square. Now two individual expression you will get, after that add. Okay, so try this question at your home, this will be your homework. Now in this also a minus b ka whole square, a minus b ka whole square. So here a will be 1.5p and b will be 2.5q. Here a will be 2.5p and b will be 1.5q. So put these values inside the formula, you will get the answer. This will be your homework. Let's move to the next question. Now sixth part, let's solve this. A plus b ka whole square, open this formula here. A is AB here and B is BC here. Put these value inside this a plus b ka whole square. So AB ka whole square plus BC ka whole square plus 2 into AB into BC. Okay, so after that minus 2AB square is additional 2AB square. So take this as, now solve this. A square B square plus B square C square plus 2AB square C. Now this is also with this AB square. So cancel out each other. At the end you will get AB square plus B square C square. So this will be your answer. Okay. Let's move to the next part, part 7. Now next part is part 7. So m square minus n square m. So here use a minus b ka whole square. A is m square here and b is n square m. So find out the expression. So a square means m square, b square means n square m ka whole square. Okay, now minus 2 into m square into n square m. So this will be this much. Now we are having this also, plus 2m cube n square. Now open this. So you will get m ki power 4 n ki power 4 m square minus 2m cube n square plus 2m cube n square. Cancel out each other, same variables are there. So m ki power 4 plus n ki power 4 m square will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now next question is question number 5. Show that. So in show that, this will be your leftmost side and this is your rightmost side. You have to prove left hand side with equal to rightmost side. Okay, so let's solve this leftmost side, left hand side. So leftmost side I am writing separately, 84x. Now this is a plus b ka whole square. So a is 3x here and b is 7 here. Put this formula, 3x ka whole square plus 7 ka whole square plus 2 into 3x into 7. So it gives you 9x square plus 49, 6 plus 42x minus, now I am writing this minus 84x also. So this and this we can solve because they are like terms. Okay, so 9x square plus 49, 42x minus 84x, you will get 42x with plus sign. So this is your left hand side. Now with minus sign, with minus 42 because 84 is greater one. Okay, so let's solve the rightmost side. Rightmost side is 3x minus 7 ka whole square. So a minus b ka whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now a is 3x का whole square 7 का whole square minus 2 into 3x plus 7. So 3x का square 9x square plus 49 minus 42x. So this is your rightmost side. See, left and rightmost side are equal to each other, so we can say that left hand side is equal to rightmost side. So in this way you have to prove your leftmost side equal to rightmost side. I hope you are able to do each and every part. One more question we will do. Now second part. See, here we can apply a minus b ka whole square. So a is 9p and b is 5q here. So 9p ka whole square plus 5q ka whole square minus 2 into 9p into 5q plus 180 pq. Okay, so it gives you 81p square plus 25q square minus, you will get you will get 90 pq minus 90 pq plus 180 pq. Now you can solve these two because they are like terms. Okay, so 81 p square plus 25 q square you will get plus 90 pq. So this will be equal to 9p plus 5q ka whole square. Okay, so this is your left hand side and rightmost side is also this, so we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now let's move to the next part, third part. This part I am giving you homework. Apply a minus b ka whole square, then you will get this automatically. Okay, I hope you are able to do this. Let's move to the next part. So in the next part, this is your a full and this will be your b. So we are going to apply a square minus b square, means a plus b and a minus b. So a is full 4bq plus 3q, b is 4pq minus 3q. Now write according to this. A is 4pq plus 3q and b is minus 4pq plus 3q. Now this cancel out each other, this cancel out each other, gives you 8pq multiplied by 6q. 6 8 is 48, it gives you 48pq square. So this is your left hand side and right hand side is this, so we can say that left hand side is equal to rightmost side. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Next part, a minus b, a plus b, b minus c, b plus c, c minus a, c plus c. So you can write a square minus b square, formula is there. You can write b square minus c square, you can write c square minus a square, plus sign is there. So this b square cancel out each other, this c square cancel out each other, and this a square and this a square will cancel out each other. So you will get 0. It means leftmost side is equal to rightmost side. So very easy part. So one part I am giving you homework, that was your third part. I hope you are able to solve that. Definitely I will give you solution also in the PDF form. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now in this also you have to apply the identities, but 71 square, so there is no identities, but we have to convert into identity. Instead of 71, how you can write? You can write 70 plus 1 ka whole square. So I'm not solving full, I'm just giving you hint. A is 70 here and b is 1 here. So apply a plus b ka whole square. It means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So put these value inside the formula, you will get the answer. Now how you can write 99? You can write 99, 100 minus 1 का whole square. So in this way you can write. Now your formula is there. A is 100 and B is 1. So A minus B का whole square you can use. Formula is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Put this value inside the formula, you will get the answer. Now 102, how you can write 102? You can write 100 plus 2 का whole square. Use A plus B का whole square. Put the value inside the formula, you will get the answer. Then 998, you can write 1000 minus 2 का whole square. So A minus B का whole square, you can put the formula. A is 1000 here and B is 2 here. Put these value inside the formula, you will get the answer. Okay. Now how we can divide 5.2? You can write 5 plus 0.2 का whole square. So A plus B का whole square. In this formula you can use. A is 5 here, B is 0.2 here. Okay, put this value inside the formula, you will definitely get the answer. I am not solving full because simply you have to put the identity. Now next is 297 and 303. So you can write 297 like 300 minus 3. Here you can write 300 plus 3. So this is A minus B and this is A plus B. The formula you can make A minus B ka whole square. So A is 300 here and B is 3 here. So 300 ka whole square minus 3 ka whole square. You will get 9000. You will get 90,000 minus 9. So you will get answer equal to 89991. So this will be your answer. So in this way you can do the question. Okay. Your next is 7882. Okay. Now how you can write this? You can write 80 minus 2 and 80 plus 2. Again A minus B, A plus B. A is 80 here and B is 2 here. Put this value inside the formula. Find out A square minus B square. Okay. Now 8.9. How you can write 8.9? 8.9 you can write 9 minus 0.1 का whole square. So A minus B का whole square. A is 9 here and B is 0.1. Put these value inside the formula, you will get the answer. Let's move to the next question. Question also you have to use A square minus B square formula. A plus B, A minus B. So you can write 50 plus 1. Okay. You can write 50 minus 1. So this is your A plus B and this is